Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this series of technical analysis where we pick stocks for you and bring in all the possibilities that are possible by the way of technical analysis. The stocks that we have chosen today, actually there are a couple of stocks that we have chosen today, are from the pharma domain, that is Cadila Healthcare and Sun Pharma. On this channel we have been discussing various pharma stocks and all of them are doing really well on the charts, and they are following the critical levels that we have discussed by the way of technical analysis. We have discussed Lupin, Aurobindo, Torrent Pharma, Divis Labs and many other stocks from this domain of pharma. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon so that you are updated with the latest videos that we post on this channel. Also, the links of all the videos that we made on the pharma sector are available in the description box. You can check all those videos once again. A few people also asked me that why do you choose only pharma stocks for analysis on your channel? That maybe that is because you already know that the stocks are going to do well because the sector is doing well. So my answer to them is, why should I not choose a sector which is really doing well? Because that is the first principle of a good trader or a good investor. You have to choose the sector, and if the sector is doing well, what is the harm in taking advantage of it and earning money from it? Because the ultimate aim, friends, of trading or investing in the stock markets is making money. This is not like being an actor, like you'll be doing all the roles of say action or drama or comedy, all other such roles, and make sure that your fans are enjoying. This is not that way. Trading in the stock markets is not a blockbuster, friends. It is really boring, and that is what even the legends like Warren Buffett have been emphasizing on since so many years, that investing in the stock markets is really boring. You need to have patience. So we have chosen two stocks today because this can give the viewers an idea of how from the same sector we can identify which stock to choose in between them and take the correct decisions by way of technical analysis. So let's go on the chart of both Sun Pharma and Cadila Healthcare and understand what possibilities we can see. So here we are on the chart of Sun Pharma. We'll be analyzing Sun Pharma and Cadila Health together simultaneously. We are looking at the monthly time frame first of all. So what do we see here in the monthly time frame of Sun Pharma, guys? Let me zoom this, and we see that this stock has been in a downtrend since March 2015. So 5 years of bearish movement in this stock, and recently we see some good green candles over here, the credits of which go to the situation of COVID-19 and the increased demand in the pharma sector. But what do we see here in the monthly time frame is that the sustainable trend is downwards. It's a very eminent trend that is downwards. We see that the price has been moving in this channel since so many years, and this downtrend has not been broken yet, and the price is currently facing this long-term resistance over here. So if we zoom this, we can see that this is the resistance that the price is facing currently. Now let's see the monthly time frame of Cadila Healthcare. This is the monthly time frame of Cadila Healthcare, and what do we see here? That the price was in a downtrend in a similar way as it was in the stock of Sun Pharma, but this is since 2017. The downtrend began since 2017. It was also moving in a channel. So if we try to identify the resistance line, this is the resistance lines that it was facing since a very long time, and this was the support line that it was facing since a very long time. Recently the breakout of this stock of Cadila Healthcare happened, and it happened in the month of February 2020, and since then, due to the great fortunes of the pharma sector, this stock has been doing really well since then. So what do we conclude from this monthly time frame of Cadila is that it was in a downtrend, it was in a bearish movement, but we have seen a reversal chart pattern in the monthly time frame over here. We have seen the formation of a rounding bottom over here. You see the price made a bottom over here and then it started moving upwards. So this is a very clear indication of a rounding bottom breakout, and the breakout of this rounding bottom happened over here. You see the apex of the bottom was broken over here, and then the price started moving in the upward direction. So this was the apex over here of the rounding bottom, and this was the bottom which is formed. So basically friends, there are three kinds of chart reversal patterns which we should trust and which are significant. One is the rounding bottom, one is the double bottom, and the other is the inverse head and shoulders. So these are the few chart patterns which we can consider for making sure that the reversal in trend has happened. So in this case we see a reversal in trend, whereas in the case of Sun Pharma we don't see any reversal of trend as of now. Maybe in the future we can see that, but as of now we are not seeing any reversal in the trend. The price is moving in the same channel that it has been moving in since the last 5 years. Now let's go to the weekly time frame. So here in the weekly time frame of Sun Pharma, we identify a few resistance points over here. So we see, friends, that this is a imminent resistance line. Let me change the color of this line and make it a bit thick so that it is clearly visible for you. So this line over here has been acting as a resistance for the price, and as of now we don't see a clear cut breakout of this resistance line. There is no candle in the chart which has opened and closed above this resistance line. So this resistance line is still intact. So the price is facing a resistance here again, as we saw in the monthly time frame. So it is much obvious that we will see the same resistance here in the weekly time frame also. So the price has been facing a resistance. And what is the movement of the price? Is it upwards, friends? Price is not upwards. As we see here, the movement is sideways. So this is the movement of the price. It is not upwards as we saw in the case of Cadila Healthcare. So this is a sideways movement that is happening here. And on the contrary, if you see the weekly time frame of Cadila, so here we can see that we see this upward movement that has happened. So if we mark, if I just show this upward movement to you, we can see that this is the movement that has happened in Cadila. This is the movement that is happening. So obviously we would like to show more interest in a stock which is showing a upward movement, because we want to ride the trend. We want to ride the trend and trail the stop loss. This is the philosophy that we follow on this channel. And if we also consider a few trend lines over here in this chart of Cadila Healthcare, so we see that this was a very critical resistance line for the price, this one. So if I extend it over here, you see that it is having multiple touch points on it. So the price facing a resistance here, the price facing a resistance here, then again on multiple occasions the price was facing resistances over here also, and finally we see a breakout of this resistance. We see a clear cut bullish movement over here, and this price has been rejected by the resistance line has been rejected by the price, and it is moving upwards. But do we see the same thing over here in the chart of Sun Pharma? As of now we don't see any clear cut breakout of this resistance line. So that is one difference in again in both these stocks over here. Both the stocks are pharma stocks. Both the stocks are having huge demand currently and are on a bull run. But if we have to choose between these two, that is the purpose of this analysis. And as of now we can see that Cadila Healthcare should become our choice over Sun Pharma as far as the monthly and weekly time frame is concerned. If we see the momentum oscillators also, we see that the RSI and stochastic are in a excellent zone for Cadila Healthcare over here. So both of them showing great signs. On the contrary, if we see the RSI of Sun Pharma over here, we see that the RSI is below 60, the slope is downwards, and for Cadila the slope is upwards, and it is moving towards above 60 with a very good inclination. So this shows a good momentum coming into the stock of Cadila as compared to Sun Pharma. Now let's go to the daily time frame. So moving to the daily time frame of Cadila, what do we see here, friends? That a continuation chart pattern has been happening since so many days, that is since April 2020 in the chart of Cadila. So this continuation chart pattern is primarily a rounding bottom over here, but this can be seen as a cup and handle formation, which we can see in the coming days. So what is a cup and handle formation? First of all, cup and handle formation is a continuation chart pattern, and we see that the formation of the cup has happened over here. And what I think will be happening going forward a few sessions over here, we might see a handle formation like this, and then the price will move ahead. So the chances of this happening are very prominent in this stock of Cadila. So there are two chances which can happen. One is the formation of a cup and handle in this manner, or we can clearly see a breakout of this rounding bottom and we can see the price moving, advancing in this way. So these are the two eminent possibilities which I see in this stock of Cadila. I am not thinking that it will move in a bearish direction, though it is wrong to predict that way, but that is my feeling which I am getting, that I don't think we'll be seeing a bearish movement over here, a prominent bearish movement over here. We might see a small bearish movement when the handle of this cup formation happens, or it can move up in this direction. So let's go on the chart of Sun Pharma and see on the daily time frame. What do we see here? We see that a formation of a double top is possible over here. So we see that this formation, this is one top and this is second top, and it is a possibility, though the sector is doing well, but looking at this chart, we can assume that if the bottom which is lying over here, if this bottom is broken, the price can move in the downward direction. That is a possibility, or it can also take a support over this point and make advances upwards. But do we have clear signals of what is going to happen over here in the chart of Sun Pharma? No, we don't have clear signals, and taking into consideration the monthly and the weekly time frames, we are not seeing any uptrend in the stock. Friends, it is important to understand that why do we see the daily time frame? We see the daily time frame just to identify our entry, exit and stop loss points. Okay, we don't see the daily time frame to come to conclusions whether we want to go for this stock or not, because we are not talking about intraday. If you're specifically talking about intraday, then you can refer these daily charts with much interest. But basically we look at daily time frame because it is a very small time frame, so we look at it from the point of view of identifying our stop loss, entry points and target points. So if the weekly and daily time frame is showing that it is in a sideways movement or it is in a bearish movement, we don't come to conclusions of entering this stock right now, because on the contrary, we have a stock like Cadila Healthcare where a continuation chart pattern of a cup handle formation is seen eminently in this manner, and it is very likely to make advances in the bullish direction, and the monthly and the weekly time frame is showing great momentum coming into the stock. So this can also be seen here on the momentum indicators of the daily time frame, wherein we see a good zone for both stochastic and RSI. So what should be our entry points, exit points and stop losses over here? We need to first of all understand that do we see a handle formation over here, or this is a clear cut breakout of a rounding bottom. Once we get that idea, we can come to conclusions what can be our entry point. But just to give you an idea, currently if we see a breakout of this line over here, so this is the apex of this rounding bottom over here, and if I extend it further, it can be useful if a handle formation is happening. So if we see a clear cut breakout over this line that we just drew, so if we see a clear cut breakout of this blue line, be it in this part of the chart or this part of the chart, we should be ready to enter this stock of Cadila. So 1 ATR above this line, or definitely after seeing a bullish candle formation over here. Again, bullish candle formation should be a prominent one, not with shadows. It should look a very prominent bullish direction. So that can happen once the price reaches, let's say around, we can assume it to be 385 looks a good price, though this will depend totally on your movement and the candlestick formation that happen in the consecutive sessions. So let's consider 385 to be a good price over here. So let me take a note of 385 on this chart pattern. So 385 is the entry point, and let me also mention only after clear breakout of resistance line or the handle formation. So both these possibilities stand very much. So I have mentioned this entry point over here. Now friends, what can be the stop loss? See, if this handle formation occurs, and I don't know till what depth that handle formation can occur, we are just assuming that it forms a curve like this. So whatever curve it forms, you must make sure that the stop loss is the bottom of this handle formation. So that can be your stop loss. So taking a price level over there is currently very difficult because we don't know till what curve the handle formation can occur. But if that does not happen and the price advances this way, then totally it should depend on your risk reward ratio, and first of all for that we must identify our targets. So for identifying the target over here, we need to measure the depth of this cup and handle formation and project it so that we can find out the target. So here I can do that in this way, and here if we project this upwards, we find that this is the level which can be our target, and this level comes to be 430. So if I draw a horizontal line over here, you will see the target on the chart here, that is 430, that is you can see over here. So I should mention a target of 430 here on our notes. So 430 is our target by projection of cup handle. So the note I have taken over here. Now if we calculate how much growth we can see over here, so if 385 is our entry point, definitely only after we see a candle formation over here which supports us, and if we measure the growth over here, it is around 11.79, that is 12%. So let me take a note of that also. This is a growth of 12%. Now according to the risk reward ratio, this trade will be a valid trade only if we have a risk reward ratio of more than 2:1. So let's calculate a fall of 6% from here, and this can be our stop loss. So approximately this is the level which we see, that is 363, and this can also coincide with the handle formation. If it happens, this will also almost coincide with the handle formation. The support of the handle formation will be approximately at this level if it happens, though it has not formed yet. So once it starts forming, we'll get a clear idea of that, and that should be actually the indication of a stop loss level for you. But now because we don't see the chart movement in that way, so we can assume it to be at 363. So let me take a mention of that also over here. So 363 is the stop loss as per, you can say, the handle bottom. You can call it the handle bottom or the risk reward ratio. So these are the few factors from which we have found out our entry levels, targets, and our stop losses. But these are very subjective, friends. It all depends. Situations keep on changing every day, but this is just a rough idea of how we can interpret this chart of Cadila Healthcare, which has an edge over this chart of Sun Pharma, where we don't see a bullish movement as on today, but the sector is doing really well. You must keep a watch on all these stocks. So friends, here we discussed and found out all the possibilities by comparing the charts of Cadila and Sun Pharma. We realized that the stock of Cadila has shown a rounding bottom formation and the apex is already broken out in the bullish direction, whereas in the chart of Sun Pharma we see that the trend is still in the bearish side. We don't see a reversal chart pattern yet. That is possible to happen in the near future, but maybe in the near future when that happens, we can take more interest in Sun Pharma as compared to Cadila. Also in the weekly time frame, we saw that there is a cup and handle formation for Cadila, and the same is about to happen also in the daily time frame in the chart of Cadila, whereas in the chart of Sun Pharma we saw that the price is facing a resistance yet, and we don't see any movement above the resistance as on today. So we identified Cadila to be a better buy as on today, and we also identified the entry points, the exit points. So the entry point was above the apex of the cup and handle formation if it happens, or the rounding bottom by way of a candlestick, a bullish candlestick pattern, and the target we found out by the way of projection of the cup and handle formation. The stop loss will be depending on actually what movement the price shows in the coming sessions. If we see a handle formation, the bottom of the handle formation should be your stop loss ideally, and it is also confluencing with your risk reward ratio, so that also makes us very sure that this can be a valid trade by the point of view of risk reward ratio also. So friends, if you find this analysis useful for you or it has brought any value addition to you, please like the video, share it to your social media platforms. Make sure everybody who is trading or investing in the stock markets or other commodity and forex markets gets this video. Please subscribe the channel, enable the bell icon and keep watching us. We'll be back again with another stock. Thank you.